Missed EAS alerts. 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. Sorry, I was gone for a second. I was gone for like 30 minutes. Severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm watch, and another severe thunderstorm warning. It's not even look sunny right now, but so there's a storm coming from the west. I'm gonna make a post later for the so we are under slight risk. It's possible we may do an EAS compilation, but chances are low. So I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. So we are expecting like 1 or 2 more warnings. We got the severe thunderstorm warning first. 2 severe, or the 1 severe thunderstorm warning, the watch, and then the other warning for here. The first one was for here. This one's for us. I will post the severe weather outlook on YouTube soon. So, bye guys. I think there is a severe thunderstorm warning about to go off. Here we go.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cowley County, southeastern Sedgwick County, southwestern Butler County, northeastern Sumner County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Molding, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Molding, Rose Hill, Douglas, Udall, and Rock.
Might just be a short EAS conference.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 478 remains in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties: Butler, Cowley, Sedgwick, and Sumner.
So, EAS compilation number 2. It's not going to be as long as the last one, but it's going to be somewhat an EAS compilation. Peace out. See you in the next warning. Bye.
County in southeastern Kansas, southeastern Greenwood County in southeastern Kansas until 9:15 p.m.
Big warning.
At 8:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms extending from near Fall River to near Moline to near Udall, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arkansas City, Winfield, Independence, Molding, Neodashe, Fredonia, Cherryvale, Keeney, Sedan, Oxford, Udall, Howard, Cedarvale, Bergen, Moline, Longton, Elk City, Dexter, Greenola, and Atlanta. Severe thunderstorm watch number 478 remains in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties: Butler, Cowley, Sedgwick, and Sumner. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
So we got the watch, warning. Wait, another watch? No. So this might be a somewhat shorter than the last one. possible we may get more warnings eventually. But that is possible. We don't know yet. See you at the next alert.